Hello again everyone, it's Alex0, and I'm going to be doing another hammer video on how to teleport someone in Team Fortress 2 to one of two places depending on what team they're on. It's been a long time since I've done a new video, so anyway. Alright, so this is useful if you want to, like, I don't know, have a death pit that teleports someone back to their spawn or something. I don't even know. So it's actually pretty simple, sort of, but it's very useful. So I don't even care. Let's just make a little cube thing, just a room. I'm going to assume you know the basics of hammer for this, because it requires some of the more advanced stuff that hammer can do. Mainly dealing with like point entities and using the activator variable and what is it? I forgot. It doesn't really matter. It's not that hard. And filters, that was it. Filters. So. Oh wait. Don't need to do that. Okay. Make a spawn. Too close to the wall. Alright, so say we want someone to be teleported, I don't know, over here if they're on the blue team, and over here if they're on the red team. It's completely arbitrary. So what you want to do is you want to create a new entity that is called, it's a point teleport. Most of you probably haven't used these before, because most people tend to use the trigger teleports and info teleport destinations, but this is actually a pretty useful one. So open these up, set the name to, I don't know, red destination, entity teleport, and this is important. Exclamation point activator. ACTIVATOR. Can't spell. It'll say it's broken, but it's not. And the flags don't do either of them. Doesn't matter. And then that's red. Make another one over here for blue. Okay, so I'm so used to saving all the time. Now let's make a trigger in front of the spawn that you can actually hit. Alright, this is going to be a trigger multiple, and doesn't matter what you call it. We want to make sure clients is checked in flags. Alright, good. Now what you want to do is make filter activator TF team. Make two of them. Set one of them to team red, the other to team blue, obviously. I got mine filter red and filter blue. Okay, those are there. Now, to go back to your trigger multiple, in outputs, on start touch, filter blue, test activator, and then filter red, test activator, apply that, run back to your filters, on output, then on, there it is, on pass, so it checks to see if whoever touches the thing is, on whatever team. If they are, then you want your, you want to teleport them to the point teleport. So this is for the red team, so you want red destination, then teleport. That'll teleport the activator. So if a player hits the trigger multiple, they are the activator, which then the trigger multiple passes it to the filter, which passes it to the point teleport, which teleports the player. You can also do this with any, physics debris. You can do it with anything, so it really doesn't matter. So that's that one, and then the same thing for on blue, blue, on pass, then blue destination, teleport. Okay. So that's pretty much it. It's actually pretty simple. Then you'll touch this, and it'll teleport you here. Or there, depending on what team you're on. Yeah. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Yeah, so apparently I didn't forget anything. the way I did it before, I had these things call a logic case to see if the value was in there, and then if it was, it called teleport on the point teleports, but that's kind of stupid and redundant, and you don't need to do it that way. This way should work fine. So, yeah, that's the basics of using the point teleport and the activator. You can also, in another map I made, like say you want to kill means remove from the game, any entity or whatever that touches your thing, but you don't want to touch clients, so you'd uncheck clients. You could do NPCs, pushables, physics, objects, whatever. All that good stuff. And then suddenly, like if you, I don't know, fired a rocket or something into there, it would teleport to over there. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, leave a comment, send me a message, etc., etc. If you want me to make a video on something else, then do that too. Always fun. Hope you learned something.